Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use Google Sheets mobile app on mobile phone. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, make sure you have installed Google Sheets application on your mobile phone. And after you have installed the Google Sheets application, you can open it. Okay, and then if you want to create new document in Google Sheets, you can click on this plus icon. Then here you can either select the Google Sheets template or select new spreadsheet. And I'm going to select choose template because I want to show you the templates which are available in the Google Sheets. For example, if you want to create calendar, you just need to select the calendar and the calendar will be created automatically. You don't need to create the calendar manually, but you just need to select this calendar and then the calendar will be created. Then you'll be able to customize the calendar. You can also create to-do list, schedule, wedding planner, and then also invoice. And it's up to you. You can choose the template that you need. And then I'm going to show you how we can create new spreadsheet. Okay, I'm just going to create it. And wait guys, I'm going to view it in light theme. Right, and basically we can use the Google Sheets to create table of our data. You just need to input your data like this. Okay, I'm just going to input random data like this guys. And if you want to add border, you just need to select the cell like this, and then you can click on this option. And then I'm going to select this one. All right, and now the border has been created. You can also change the border color right here and choose the color that you like. And I'm going to change the alignment. I'm going to make it centered like this. And you can also apply color to your table. I'm going to change the fill color. I'm going to go with this green color. Okay, now it's done. And then I'm going to show you how you can change the format. You can click on this format icon to change the format. Okay, you can change the font like this. I'm going to change the font guys. All right, and change the size of the font. And you can customize the Google Sheets according to your style. Okay, and if you want to change the title, just go to rename spreadsheet like this. I'm just going to name it data. Okay, and then the sheets will be saved automatically in your Google Drive. Okay guys, and that's all the way to use Google Sheets mobile app. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.